Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. We've just picked up the keys for this property. We're going to be converting to a 5-bedroom HMO with ensuite. We've already started strip out, so let's jump inside and see what progress we've made so far. Okay, so we just completed on this property. The guys have actually come in here, stripped all the wallpaper off, taken all the skirting boards out. What you'll notice as well, we've also got all the door casings have been taken out, so we put new door casings in always, so that just makes it easier than trying to fit fire doors with things. Do it properly at the end of the day. We don't want to be doing a half-assed job. Now, we were actually going to be putting this putting the first bedroom in here, and we were going to do the ensuite underneath the stairs. However, what we realised is that this internal wall here has actually, it's literally been reinforced concrete down here, so we can't actually break through this here, so we're going to have to change it around. This is going to be the communal area now, so what we are going to be doing is, rather than us say breaking through underneath the stairs, we're going to utilise this space over here because this is proper void space, so we'll be able to get an ensuite here to be able to use for the room over here. We're going to have to create a, waiting for the skips in a minute, so this is the dumping ground. So we're going to have to put a partition wall up here, take out the chimney stack over here. So this chimney stack, it's literally probably about 2 feet coming out into the room, so that's a lot of space. Probably say 1.5 foot, but it's a lot of space that's actually taken up in here. So we're going to have to look at taking this out so we can create more space in here, and we'll just break through that wall there. It's not reinforced concrete, it's actually brick, so it's going to be easy enough to put a lintel in there. So the door will roughly go around here-ish. So once we've stripped everything out, we've got all this out, then we can come in, do proper measurements, get the feasibility drawings, final ones done, and then we know exactly where all the electric's going, where everything's going for the en-suites, where the shower trays are going, where the toilets are going, etc. from there. What we will be doing, we were going to actually open this up. We're going to leave this as the kitchen, so the kitchen and the communal area is separate rather than open them up together. So it worked good anyway, so we'll have enough space in here and within the kitchen as well from there as well. So with the kitchen and the communal area. Let's jump upstairs and see what's happening up there. There's going to be 4 bedrooms over 2 floors, so 2 on each floor. Let's go jump up and have a look at the first floor currently at the moment. Okay, so we're going to be in bedroom number 2. We're in the front of the house at the moment. This room is really, really big, so I'm really happy with it. All the rooms upstairs are big. So what will happen is we will put the ensuite roughly over here. We won't take out the chimney stack. There's no need to. We don't need to create any more space in here, so it's just a cost that's not needed. So effectively what we'll do is bring the chimney ensuite to roughly around about here, square it off. So it'll be a nice big ensuite. We might come in a little bit from here. As I said, we'll get the proper feasibility drawings done and the measurements and what we're having for that. But then what will happen is move over here, and this will just be a nice big double bedroom space. More than likely put the wardrobe over here, and we can put the desk over here with the TV. So we'll work it all out anyway with the feasibility drawings. We'll know exactly where every plug socket's going, where every drawing's going as well. Now going across to the side of the property here, got a nice staircase in here actually. So I'm really pleased with, I love these staircases. So it's just nice big open space here rather than just having a single staircase up. So it's a nice layout of the property, works perfect. Now what you'll notice here, we've got the actual original bathroom over here. What we'll do is we'll effectively just put the door over here where this currently door arch is. What we'll do is we'll just keep this exactly the same. We'll just literally create this as an ensuite. And what we'll do is keep this bedroom exactly the same as well. So we might move this wall because it is a partition wall. So we're just in the stages now, just finalising the drawings, so everything will come down and it'll be good. So this is obviously where the boiler's going. The boiler will go down downstairs in the kitchen area or the communal. And then basically what will happen is this will be nice. We can have a desk space here or wardrobe as well. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at what's going on upstairs there. Okay, so we're at bedroom number 4. So we're on the 3rd floor of the property now. So very simple, we're going to be putting an ensuite over here. So we'll frame it all out over here. More than likely, we'll probably have the toilet over this end and the shower around this end, but really we'll decide that when we start looking at the piping flows, etc., where things need to go. But what we have done, as I said, we've taken all the actual door casings out, but we've also taken all the skirting boards out. So it's quite important that we do that, because sometimes we can't actually match the original skirting boards in the property. So what we'll do is we'll just update it with a modern one. This whole property is going to actually be fully plastered anyway, so it will look nice when it's fully done and finished in here. So as I said, we've got the staircase over here. This is going to be a fire exit all the way out the building, so we'll make sure that the kitchen's all isolated for fire there, and also the communal area as well, because that's where the 2 main fire risks are going to be in the building. So everyone's got a clear exit to get out of here. Always got to think about that. How, in case of a fire, how do people get out of the building in the safest, quickest manner possible from here, okay? We will be putting obviously a link to fire system in here as well. So all the actual fire alarms will be linked in the rooms. So there'll be a fire alarm in every single room in the building. So this one we've got ensuite, again, is going to be in here. We're not going to be taking out the chimney stack in the rooms. The only one that's going to be taken out will be the one downstairs, okay, just because we're creating space there. But that's pretty much it for this week's Refurb Wednesdays. If you guys want to profit from UK property, then head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in for a free call with one of our team, whether you want to be completely hands-off and you want a fixed return, or whether you want to have a done-for-you service. Head to jenicproperty.com, you can book in a call with one of our team, and we'll look at your short-term and long-term goals and how we can help you profit from UK property, one property at a time. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark, and I'll see you guys on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.